Good day, everyone. This video is talk about the vacuole of plant cells. So vacuole is a large single membrane bound sac containing the cell sac. The cell sac contains water as well as the stored food, salt, pigments, toxic molecules, and metabolic waste. That means everything. So the vacuole can be considered as a recycle bin or a storeroom, okay, to keep everything. So from here you can see this is a plant cell, and then the plant cell here inside this is an organelle which is known as the vacuole, and then the membrane that bound this vacuole is called tonoplast. Okay, the single membrane part of the endomembrane system called the tonoplast. The tonoplast contains channel protein and carrier protein to transport water, ions, glucose, and other substances. So you can see there are so many the carrier proteins and other channel proteins, okay, for the transport of the substances. Okay. So that means the tonoplast is a partially or selectively permeable membrane. Immature plant cells are generally small, okay, here, and containing numerous small vacuoles. So as the water accumulates in this vacuole, so they form a large central vacuole. And at the same time, they will increase or elongate the size of the cells by adding the water into the central vacuole. This is how the cell elongation by the vacuolations. Because of the vacuole contains high concentration of solutes, so the water will diffuses into the vacuole. So by osmosis, then the vacuole will expand to generate a turgor pressures against, okay, they push outward against the cell wall. Okay, so therefore in a hypotonic solutions or solid solution, the vacuoles will maintain the turgor pressure, okay, by providing the mechanical support to the plant cell. Okay, so that's why the herbaceous plant, okay, the herbaceous plant and the monocotyledonous plant, they are highly dependent on this turgor pressure for mechanical support. Okay, the vacuole is important in maintaining homeostasis as well. So that helps to maintain the appropriate pH by taking in excess hydrogen ions. Okay, they're taking in hydrogen ions into the vacuole, and also maintains ion concentration. Okay, either to taken in or to transport out of the vacuole. Plant vacuoles are like lysosome because they contains hydrolytic enzyme and they are able to break down the waste product, as well as unneeded organelles and other cell components. Waste may be recycled in the vacuole, or they may aggregate and form small crystals inside the vacuole. Compounds that are poisonous to herbivores may also be stored in some plant vacuoles as a means of defense. And also the vacuole also contain the pigments, color pigments, okay, to show the color, for example, in flower petal, okay, anthocyanin. Vacuoles are also present in many types of animal cells, but that one is in and also in unicellular protists. Okay, for example, the food vacuole, phagosome. As you study in the role of the lysosome, you can see the phagosome, autophagosome. Okay, most protozoa have food vacuole which fills with lysosome. Okay, and then blah blah blah. So this one is, you can see, is that the vacuole. So normally for these videos we'll talk about the large central vacuoles in plant cell. So that's all for this video, and thank you for your listening.